Welcome to the Weekly Dog Sportsman Podcast Show. It's your boy Marco Scott, the Mayor of Russia.
And I'm E. Salim, the Mayor of Taylor Street.
And today's show, we got my mans with us, man. We on the hallway today. Yeah.
Mr. Cash Out Brother himself.
Yeah.
AD.
Yeah, we told y'all we was going to start bringing y'all treats.
Yes,
And this is a very lovely treat. We'll normally go through the intro and we're going to go through everything, this and that, but man, we on a restricted time, so we gonna get right to our hoops and say, AD, welcome, man. How you feeling, bro? How you feeling?
I'm great, man. Feeling even better than I made it finally.
So, man, dude, we ain't gonna take up a lot of your time, man. We know how it is. The best is coming down. I want to get right into this basketball, man. Shay,
Okay.
Shay, is he the real thing or what? Your OKC, is they pretenders? Or pretenders? Is they contenders or pretenders, Joe? What they gonna do, man? Get into it a little bit.
Like I said earlier, I think they probably the best regular season team probably ever, bro. When the playoffs hit and everything bottle up, she ain't gonna be able to do all that stuff, man.
Right.
She's not gonna be able to do all that, man.
Right.
When the refs swallow them whistles, when all them pump fakes in the lane and all that stuff, and all them other guys got to score points that ain't been scoring all year.
Yeah.
They in trouble, man.
So
in trouble.
7-game series, you ain't feeling them, huh?
I mean, the first round, maybe. They might get out the first round.
Right.
Depending on who they playing, but I ain't got no faith in OKC making it to the ship, man. None.
Man,
I think they're still too young and too inexperienced in the playoffs.
Right there. I like it. I like it. I love it.
I love it.
Hey.
But I know.
Go ahead.
While we into it, so what's the guy? What team you think right now is that threat this year? In the West.
Last 3 years, Denver. I
Denver.
ain't taking it off. Denver got the only player in the league can play when he wants to.
Joker.
Yeah, he the only dude in the league can play when he wants to. Can score when he wants to, can pass when he wants to, can rebound. He can go out there and beat you and not score a basket, go and have 25 rebounds and assists, 20, 30 rebounds and assists and just kill him. And without him scoring.
Right. Right. He the true MVP for real, or?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, nobody taking that from him, man. He's basically dying out now.
Yeah.
I don't want no smoking, dude.
So I'm like, man, what the NBA they kind of got rid of the big man, Joe. And the one guy I did want to talk about though, because I know you're a big fan of this, bro, Joe. Let's talk about Bol for a minute, Joe. Let's get into Bol.
The league's so disrespectful, bro. The league's so disrespectful, bro. It does not make no sense how disrespectful the NBA is. Bol is winning.
Right.
But Bol don't look good enough to be marketable to be winning.
He on that dark skin shit, huh?
It ain't even just the dark skin. He's not marketable. He's built funny. He's built funny. He looks funny. Like, you can't put him on commercials. You can't like put him out there and kids want to, Bobo. No, they don't do that.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? That's the only reason Bobo ain't at the top of this league, bro.
Man, I feel that way too, Joe. I was thinking about that. What you just said in a different sense, I was like, man, like they just keep Africa down, Joe. They don't want to let nothing good come from Africa, Joe. Like on the real, they don't want to let nothing good.
You could be a star in the NBA.
Facts. That's the only way, though. That's the only way. On the real. But man, we have a few technical issues, but we still live.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying? Your video in and out, but it's all love, Joe, because it's really about your brain, your knowledge. I gotta hear, man, some futures. Who you got coming out of the East? Give me 2 teams you got coming out of the East, and 2 teams you got coming out of the West, and why? Before we get up out of here. And hey, Joe, we gotta get into your business too, man. We gotta tell the people about your business too. But let's chop it up a little bit about the basketball one more time. Who you got coming out the East, AD?
The East tough. It's a tough to crack to me, man. I don't really trust none of them.
It's a toss.
It's a toss. New York good, but they ain't deep enough. New York just like OKC, like they're in the same boat. You know what I'm saying? And who else is it out there? Orlando Ben fell off.
Boston.
Boston.
They gotta do it, right? Who gonna beat them? Cleveland?
I think Cleveland will knock him off, bro, this year.
Yeah.
Think Cleveland? Y'all think Cleveland knock
DeAndre
them off?
Hunter
Yeah.
was major. That was major.
Yeah.
That's a major pickup at DeAndre Hunter.
It got Max Strus hooping like, hey, it got Max hooping like, hold on, he played my spot. They got Max.
Max always had that little, it's Miami Heat players. If you want to play, you don't want go to the Miami Heat and look at their bench, bro.
You get somebody
Bro, Miami keep them. They keep warriors. They keep players that's ready to go. They can sit on the bench for 30 games and come out to the next game and give you all-star numbers.
You said a lot of teams, Andy. You said a lot of teams.
Yeah.
That's what Miami gets you, bro. That's just Pat Riley. And Boston.
All right, let's go to West Coast. You talked about Denver already. Who else you got compete with Denver in the West Coast? You got LA or Green Bay. I mean LA or Golden State. Let me set up the booty for you. Who you got?
I'm gonna say LA because right now it looks like the NBA want LA to be
Ooh,
a top team.
I like it, right?
As long as the NBA wants them to be top, LA gonna be top, bro.
Yeah. That
LA tough because now LeBron ain't never. I don't care who he play with. He ain't never had nobody on his team that garnered this much attention. That garnered more attention than he do on the court.
Right.
So LeBron just out there he's just an assassin now. Because nobody looking at him. Two people can't guard LeBron.
Right. That's tough, man. That's tough.
It's easy. It's easy for him now.
Yeah.
It's easy, bro. He can get up on the Luke and go stand on the side and just watch.
Yeah.
He ain't never been able to do that with nobody. Not Kyrie, not nobody. Not Dwayne Wade, not nobody. He can just go watch and let Luka run the team. He can sit on the bench for 20 minutes in the game and do like this. Like, man, this boy out here really killing these people. Like, it's easy on them.
And they both scored.
I just think they need somebody to get cut. Like a big, they should have got Valanciunas, but they need like a big to get cut. Because when it comes down to that Joker, Sims, Jackson Hayes.
The spaceship.
Hey! The spaceship, man. It's tough.
Give y'all good juice. The spaceship trying to shut us down.
It's
That's what I'm saying.
tough.
They're trying to shut us down.
It's tough. We're gonna come back though. Other side of the break. Y'all see what it was, man. We was getting to this Lakers talk. Other side of the break, we coming back, man. Y'all be cool.